Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll explore a small goat meat shop. Goat meat is considered the best red meat. It is better than the sheep meat. This has a gamey flavor. In Odisha, the goat meat is sold in the roadside shops like this, and the customers come and order the part of the goat which they want, and accordingly the shopkeeper serves them. Preferably, fresh meat is used for cooking. Preserved meat is not used here, and particularly the goat meat has heavy demand among the people. It is mostly consumed in the Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. In other days, it is consumed very less. People don't prefer it because of worship of different god and goddess by the Hindu community. But in Sunday it has very heavy demand. This shopkeeper sells more than 2 quintal of goat meat. In Wednesday and Friday he sells 50 kg in his day, 50 to 60 kg. For that he goes for 5 goats in Wednesday and Friday, and 15 to 20 goats in Sunday. And here people like to do mutton curry, goat meat curry, and people don't prefer to take the fat also. You can observe the customer is asking for certain part and he is serving like that. This is the front leg of the goat. He is cutting now. To run a small meat shop is a very challenging work. You shall have to collect the goats from the countryside, and you shall have to serve here. But sometimes from other states goats are also supplied to Cuttack. So since it has very big demand, in each Sunday you will see more crowd in these shops. People come to purchase meat early in the morning. After 6 a.m. you will see the customers in the shop. From 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. there is more crowd. Today is Wednesday, so there is not heavy crowd, and it is after 10 o'clock. So very rare people are coming to collect the meat for their household. Basically, here the people who are living nearby area, they procure the meat for their own cooking in their houses, not for business purpose.
You can see now the customer
The
willing to take
goat
specific
meat
parts of the goat.
is the premium meat in the state of Odisha. People prefer the goat meat, and it is very costly also. The rate is more than 700 rupees per kg. Particularly the male goat male goat has more demand,
He's cutting now.
and male goat meat is called as khasi. Um, so it has more demand. People prefer to see whether it is male or female. If it is female,
Here
they don't
people
take
prefer
it.
the fresh
So
mutton.
always male goat
They
has
will
a
not
very demand,
take
good demand for
mutton.
the meat purpose here in Odisha,
These are
and
places.
the
So there is
customers
heavy
see in
demand
their
for the
font whether it is
fresh
male or
mutton.
female, and after that they
Goat meat is
purchase the
in
meat.
price more than
And this
700
small
rupees.
shop is being
It's certain days
run by two
and
people.
there
Two
are some
people are
festivals.
managing this
The rate
shop. They are
goes
doing everything from procuring the goats to sell it. So it is a very difficult job. So if you will serve the
here
goat meat
during
to the people at
Wednesday
6
and
a.m.,
Friday we
you
caught
should
4 to
imagine
5
how much
goats,
pain they are
but
taking
in
to procure
Sunday
it and to serve it
he
early in
sells
the morning
not less than
in
20
their shop.
goats.
And
Sunday has better demand.
normally
Today is
average
Wednesday,
consumption
so
of goat
there
meat per
is not
person
heavy
with
crowd.
rice is 200
Very few people are
gram.
coming to take
People
the goat
normally
meat
takes
in their
per head
daily
200 gram. With
consumption.
rice normally it is taken. People like to eat the mutton curry in the state of
He
Odisha.
owns
It is one of the reason also because
mutton shop along with
they cannot afford it
another person.
if they will go for the
So two people
other
are
items
managing this
which
mutton shop,
which is difficult to serve all the family members.
and it is a
So
very challenging job
in these small
because
shops in
people have
Sundays,
to
you'll see the
go
big
to
lines
different villages
from early in the morning,
locate
and
the
people will
goats
procure it.
to
And
the
since it is a holiday, all the
users.
government offices are closed. People
Then
enjoy
few
the
people from the
lunch
villages and
with the
keep it there.
family with the mutton
Then
curry. Normally,
sell
in
them
each week,
on
it is
Wednesday,
like a celebration,
Friday,
a weekend
and
celebration
Sunday.
with the mutton in most of the families.
And goat meat
Those who
is
take
a premium meat
non-vegetarian food,
in Odisha.
and
We
people are free
don't
on
prefer
that.
this
Schools
meat
are closed on Sunday, and so
here.
everybody in the family is free to celebrate. So they prepare the curry in their own home and enjoy it with the family. Today the mutton price is 750 rupees per kg.
We
Sometimes
have
it
just
reaches
bought them.
800 rupees also.
We
This customer is asking 1 kg of mutton.
1 kg of mutton.
He is preparing it. So he is doing a very marvelous job by providing the good quality
This
goat
is
meat
the tastiest meat,
to the local people,
particularly
and he has
the
some
male
regular customers
goat
who
has
comes
more demand in
to his shop.
comparison to the
They
female
know
goat.
that
Female
this
goat
person
meat
will
price
give
is
them the
600 rupees
good quality
per
meat,
kg, but
particularly
sometimes the meat
which I have mentioned
is
earlier also, khasi meat, which is more
female goat,
tastier,
so people always
has gamey flavor.
prefer to
People
see
prefer it,
male or
and
female.
particularly those
Always they go for the
khassis are
male
from
goat.
hilly areas
It is
have
called
more
as
demand because they
popularly called in
uh,
khasi.
take food as different
So
type of
khasi
plants
mans
in the
in
hills, so it
area.
tastes better. People ask whether this khasi is from hilly area or from plain area. So hilly area khassis or goats have more demand for the meat purpose, and in festive times the mutton costs also increases. And by running this small shop, he is maintaining his family from last 10 years, and he learned it in his childhood from his father, the art of doing everything for a mutton shop, and hope this video has given you some information about the mutton shop in the state of Odisha, how the mutton is served in small cities like Cuttack, Bhubaneswar and other cities. In some places also there are some market places where only mutton is served, unlike this roadside one.